So when you say scarcity, it's volume of what I have, but then what I have isn't, full picture of what I need to really harvest the right way.
Right.
So then as we start to go down this pathway, migrating from third party into first party and having data independence, does this mean, like, do I walk away from these walled gardens and my dependence on them?
Yeah, I think it's a great question, Todd, and maybe we can just maybe stop the share and then people can see us a little bit. I think this is a key point. I think walled gardens, obviously there's a big negative connotation with that in the industry today, and walled gardens examples are Facebook, Apple, etc., where these are important places where consumers are. And we need to invest dollars into these walled gardens. The problem has always been, I don't have insight. It's not my data. And you essentially become, create a codependency, right? And I think that's where it becomes problematic. We think that walled gardens are an obvious part of any media mix, right? Any plan. If your consumers are there, it's certainly that. Not that you completely ignore all walled gardens; they're important. But it's about how do you create your own first party data, be independent, and then use that with the walled gardens as your partners, right? Can you build your own first party data asset of those that are in market? And if they're in market, can we bring them to the walled gardens? Can we bring them to these big media networks and help activate more efficiently?
Well, that makes sense. And so what I'm hearing you say is we're not advocating walking away completely from walled gardens, but having data independence is really important to, building your own pathway and owning your own first party experience, and then folding in all the other pieces that are available to you.